Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make bacon and cheese omelet. Crack 3 eggs into a bowl and whisk until smooth. Heat a non-stick skillet over medium and melt 1 tablespoon butter. Add chopped bacon, then pour eggs evenly. Cook gently until edges set. Sprinkle cheese, fold omelet in half, and slide onto a plate. Serve hot with salt and pepper to taste, and enjoy the simple comfort of this dish. I explain a few key techniques to make the perfect omelet with bacon and cheese. Use medium heat to avoid overbrowning while ensuring eggs cook through. Tilt the pan periodically and lift edges so uncooked egg flows beneath for even set. Add cheese when eggs are mostly set so it melts without overcooking. Fold gently and let residual heat finish the center for a creamy, tender result every time. I help you customize your bacon and cheese omelet easily at home. Start with simple seasoning like salt and freshly ground black pepper to enhance the eggs. Mix in chopped herbs or a splash of hot sauce for brightness, or swap cheddar for Swiss or pepper jack to change the flavor profile. Keep bacon crisp for texture and fold gently to preserve creaminess, creating a satisfying meal in minutes.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.